Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Sun Language Channel. I'm Brian.
And I'm Emma. It is so good to be here with you today.
Today, we are going to talk about something very relaxing and fun. We are going to talk about our hobbies and interests.
That's right. We will talk about what we like to do in our free time. But before we start, if you find our channel helpful, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Your support is our motivation to create. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Emma. So, let's jump right in. Emma, when you are not working, what do you usually do?
Well, Brian, I am a huge fan of cooking. I especially love baking.
Really? Baking? That sounds delicious. What do you like to bake?
I mostly bake cookies and cakes. Last weekend, I made chocolate chip cookies. My family loved them. Do you like sweets, Brian?
Oh, I love sweets. Chocolate is my favorite. But isn't baking difficult? I heard you need to be very precise with the ingredients.
It can be a little hard at first. You need to measure the sugar, flour, and butter carefully. But once you learn the recipe, it is very relaxing. The smell of fresh cookies in the oven is the best smell in the world.
I can imagine. So, how did you learn to bake? Did you take a class?
No, I actually learned from YouTube. There are so many great videos online. I just watch a video and try to follow the steps. It's a great way to learn a new skill.
That is very cool. Maybe you can teach me how to bake a cake someday.
I would love to. It's really fun. So, Brian, what about you? Are you an indoor person like me? Or do you prefer going outside?
I think I am definitely an outdoor person. I don't like sitting at home all day. My biggest hobby right now is hiking.
Hiking? Wow, that sounds tiring. Where do you usually go?
I usually go to the mountains near the city. I love the fresh air and the quiet nature. It helps me clear my mind after a busy week at work.
That makes sense. Do you go alone? Or do you go with friends?
I usually go with a small group of friends. But sometimes I go alone because I also like photography.
Oh, I didn't know you liked photography. What do you take pictures of?
I mostly take pictures of landscapes like trees, rivers, and the sky. Sometimes I take photos of birds, but that is very difficult because they move so fast.
I can see why hiking and photography go well together. You can exercise and be creative at the same time.
Exactly. It's the perfect combination for me. I bring my camera, walk for a few hours, and take photos of beautiful views.
Do you use a professional camera or just your phone?
I used to use just my phone, but recently I bought a real camera. The quality is much better, but it is also much heavier to carry.
I bet, but I'm sure the photos are worth it. So, we have baking and hiking. Those are very different hobbies. Is there anything you like to do when it rains? You can't go hiking in the rain, right?
That's true. If the weather is bad, I usually stay home and watch movies or TV shows.
Me too. I think everyone loves watching movies. What kind of movies do you like?
I am a big fan of action movies. I like fast cars, explosions, and superheroes. They are very exciting. What about you, Emma? Do you like action movies?
Not really. To be honest, I find them a bit too loud. I prefer comedies or romance movies. I like stories that make me laugh or feel happy.
I understand. Sometimes you just want to relax and laugh. Have you seen any good movies recently?
Actually, I watched a great comedy last night. It was about a family going on a vacation, and everything went wrong. It was so funny.
Oh, I think I know that movie. I want to see it too.
We should definitely talk about movies more often. It's a great way to learn English too, right?
Yes. Watching English movies with subtitles is one of the best ways to improve your listening skills. Emma, is there a hobby you want to try in the future? Something you have never done before?
That is a good question. I think I want to try yoga.
Yoga? Why yoga?
Well, my friends tell me it is very good for your health and flexibility. Also, it seems very peaceful. I get stressed sometimes, and I think yoga could help me relax. What about you, Brian? Any new hobbies on your list?
I actually want to learn how to play the guitar.
The guitar. That is a classic choice. Do you know how to play any instruments now?
No, not at all. I have zero musical talent. But I think playing the guitar looks so cool. Imagine sitting by a campfire playing a song for your friends.
That does sound nice. But you have to practice a lot. My brother plays the guitar, and his fingers hurt a lot in the beginning.
Yeah, I heard that too. But I think I am ready to try. Maybe I can find a teacher on YouTube, just like you did for baking.
That's the spirit. You can learn anything on the internet these days.
You know, Emma, talking about this makes me realize how important hobbies are.
I agree. Life can be very busy with work and study. We need time to do things we truly enjoy.
Exactly, hobbies give us energy. They make us interesting people. If we only worked and slept, life would be very boring.
And hobbies are also a great way to make new friends, like you hiking with your group, or me sharing cookies with my family.
Right. So, to all our listeners out there, make sure you make time for your hobbies.
Yes, even just 30 minutes a day is enough. Do what makes you happy.
Well, I think that is all the time we have for today. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about hobbies.
It was really fun to share my interests with you, Brian.
Same here, Emma. Before we go, let's remind our listeners one more time.
If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. It really helps us out.
And tell us in the comments, what is your hobby? Do you like cooking, hiking, or something else? We want to know.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Have a great week.